Hey guys, I want to show you how to write a five-step email campaign using ChatGPT 4. So let's get into it. It's pretty straightforward. So the first thing to understand is that ChatGPT 4 does better with the better prompts that you give it. So here's the first tip. Write a five-step cold email campaign. Okay. Now we're going to assume that the company we're writing the cold email campaign for is our company, which is, let's go to the other website, Pearl Lemon Leads, which is pearllemonleads.com. Okay, so we're going to be writing a five-step email campaign for Pearl Lemon Leads. So write the code for the company Pearl Lemon Leads. Here's the next bit, written by its founder Deepak Shukla, targeting, and this is where we put our industry. So let's just say we're targeting marketing agencies. Marketing agencies, with the offer being us able to generate up to 20 inquiries per month for their services using outbound lead generation. Include references to our unique, this is we need to know USP, to cold call, cold email, and send LinkedIn outreach messages, all as part of one campaign. And this is the key bit. Ensure each email is no longer than 100 words. Marketing agencies based in the UK. So now let's just see what it produces. So here we go. So do you see that one of the things I think that's really important is that the emails are short and to the point. Marketing agencies like yours into inquiry generating powerhouses. LinkedIn outreach, this you deliver 20 high quality inquiries per month. Then we talk about cold calling. And then we talk about fundamentally the wrap up. So this is a very effective way to put together a cold email campaign that's short, that's to the point, that's effective, and you can really use to generate sales inquiries for your business. There you have it. And the 100-word thing is really important. A clear USP is really important. Then it coming from Pearl Lemon Leads is really important. And this is how in less than 4 minutes you can generate a really strong email sequence using ChatGPT.